Welcome to Spur Gear, where we do everything RC. Touring, drifting, crawling, bashing, unboxing, and complete builds. Today we're unboxing the latest model from the Axial SCX24 series, the Chevrolet C10. Now this is in the dark gray color body with the matte black accessories. Axial does provide an alternate body color in the light green with the chrome accessories. Just something to think about if you're looking to purchase the SCX24. This 1/24th scale model is one of 6 currently available. In addition to the Chevy C10s, Axial offers the Jeep Wrangler in white and yellow and the classic Axial Deadbolt body in green and red. This is the red Deadbolt here. I've actually got a nice project coming that's going to cover the process involved in mounting the C10 body to the Deadbolt chassis. That's coming next week, so be sure to check that out. With that being said, let's get into this unboxing. Alright, now before we begin, let's just take a look at the box. Now, one thing I can't get over is just how gorgeous these truck bodies are. I picked up the original SCX24 and it was a Deadbolt. I guess in my mind I just didn't think Axial was going to put out so many different versions so quick. But yeah, I mean, they're surprisingly affordable and super customizable, so I guess why not have more than one, right? It's just a picture of the back. And there you have it. As you've just seen in this unboxing, the SCX24 comes 100% ready to run right out of the box. That even includes 4 AA batteries for the remote, a semi-charged battery for the car, the owner's manual, connector guide, charger, different size links and drive shafts, 1 Allen key, and 1 body clip. Okay, so while we look at the remote here, it does have some reverse settings. You do have your low, medium, high settings. If you want to go through and rebind, that option is available to you as well. Okay, so this is just one little test run. This is exactly how the SCX24 performs right out of the box. One little extra piece to this unboxing, so I've already got 100% stock Deadbolt. I figured why not demonstrate how both run fresh out of the box. Just a nice idea for those curious to see how the different tires and link setups can change the performance. This is Spur Gear signing off. Thank you for watching.